Welcome to Crazy for Quizzes. What's that noise? Can you guess which instrument makes which noise? Put your answers in the comments below. Get ready, set, go. Listen closely. It's a grand piano. Listen closely. It's a cello. Listen closely. It's a flute. Listen closely. It's a snare drum. Listen closely. It's a saxophone. Listen closely. It's a harp. Listen closely. It's an acoustic guitar. Listen closely. It's a clarinet. Listen closely. It's a trombone. Listen closely. It's cymbals. Listen closely. It's a xylophone. Listen closely. It's a bell. Listen closely. It's maracas. Listen closely. It's a triangle. Listen closely. It's a violin. Did you guess them all correctly? Great job! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy fun!